Metal kids, how we doing? It is Todd here from ToJu Racing. We are going to unbox this Carrera Digital 132 car now. If you're new here, please smash that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and it doesn't cost anything, and we truly appreciate it. So, let's get started on this unboxing. Here we go. All right, kids, let's get this bad boy opened up, huh? I'm kind of excited for this one. All right. Next phase. You know I'm going to keep it as suspenseful as possible. All right, are you ready? I'm kind of ready. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's the silver bullet. Holy cow. Wow. I am really impressed with this, I have to say. We're having trouble with our radio though. Dang. So this will make 3 Carrera Mercedes Evos and 1 Scaly Evo on the track, so we can do a whole Evo kind of IROC thing, which will be pretty cool. Wow. Let's get her down on the turntable. We'll be back in a second. I got to show you guys before we move forward. You can actually see the lines on the disc brakes through those wheels. How frickin' cool is that? Here's the bottom, by the way. Your pretty typical, Carrera bottom. Sensor, braids, all that good stuff. Your magnets. We'll have to check that before we run her on the track. And there's the top. Now we'll get her down on the turntable here for you. All right, here we are on the turntable. I actually love how little livery is on this car. It's just beautiful, very, very reflective silver with black details. As you can see, it's your typical AMG body, just like any other Mercedes AMG Evo. There's several of them. It's got your angry grille with the wonderful Mercedes logo. Some people don't like the grille. I kind of do. It looks pissed, which I kind of like. I like how they've got the open radiator there through the hood hole, and of course the safety lights. We'll take this out and put it on the track and just get you a look at it on the track and maybe do a slow lap. But what I'm going to do with this car is I'm going to go through the whole gamut with the tires and the guide and the tuning and all that. And the way I'm going to start it with is I'm going to let it do a good break in. Now I'm going to use the I can't remember the guy's method, but we're going to I'm stuttering. We're going to do the thing where you basically drive the car around for, probably 40, 50 laps really slow, then increase your speed and do more laps, and increase your speed and do more laps, like 3 speed increases or so, and let it get, lots of laps in, get those brushes set real well. And then we'll do a track test and record everything with Smart Race in the video. Then we'll add the guide and do another test. Then we'll add the tires and do another test. And finally, we'll tune the car for the last part. Or maybe turn that around. We'll probably do the track test out of the box. Then, man, I cannot talk. This is why I don't remove this stuff. So what we will do is we'll put it on the track and just get a picture of it here in a little bit, and then we're going to do the break-in period. After the break-in period, we'll do the test. Then we'll do the tuning, then we'll do the test. Then we'll do the guide, then we'll do the test, then finally do the tires, then we'll do the test. And see what our improvements are all along the way. All right, so that pretty much concludes this unboxing of my Mercedes AMG, my birthday present from back in August. So I'm glad it finally arrived, and it's a beautiful car. It's the silver bullet, man. It's gonna take down all them other Mercedes, and this one ain't for sale like the Hat Man's. And it ain't no green machine either. The glove has been slapped and laid down, gentlemen. You two Daves. This car is gonna beat you. I guarantee it. Well, I hope anyway. Thanks everybody for tuning into this unboxing. We're not done yet though, now that I think about it. We're gonna go do a quick show on the track. Here we go. All right, here we go. I turned the lights down a little bit so you could get a good look at it. Oh, look at those two other guys behind me. Oh, I think one of them's for sale, I've heard. So yeah, that looks really cool. Check those lights out. I like it. She looks really good. Get a back shot. Yep, you guys better get used to that view right there. And there's the other two. My drone effect. What do you think? All right, so there she is. I dig it. Looks really good. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to this unboxing of this Mercedes AMG GT3 Evo. As always, be good to yourself, be good to one another. Race your slot cars, be a kid as often as possible. There's no wrong way to slot car. See you later, slot cowboys. Race on. Every time I drink a bottle of booze, I'm just driving.